everyone. Today we are going to learn about addition and subtraction of fractions. So you already know about fractions, right? Maybe you know how to compare fraction, how to identify the numerator and denominator, to find equivalent fractions and to simplify the fractions also, right? So now we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction. So there are two types of fractions, right? Like fraction and unlike fraction. So what is a like fraction? Fractions having same denominator. See, here the denominators are same, right? They are known as like fractions. So addition and subtraction of like fractions is very easy because if we want to add these two fractions, what we have to do? The denominator will not change. It will remain the same. Okay. And then we have to add the numerators. Add the numerators means 1 plus 3, right? So what will be the answer? 4 over 4. Correct? We will see another example now. 1 over 3 plus 5 over 3. So what we will do? The denominator will remain the same. Correct? So it will be 3, the numerator 1 plus 5. So what will be the answer? 8 over 3. The same rule we will follow for subtraction also. 7 over 4 minus 5 over 4. How can you do this? The denominator will remain the same since in the numerator we have to perform subtraction. We will write it as 7 minus 5. So what will be the answer? 2 over 4, which can be further simplified as 1 over 2 also. 2 over 4 is also correct answer, no problem. Next one. 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8. How can you do this? The denominator will remain the same. We will subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3. What will be the answer? 2 over 8. So this is the case for like fractions. So for like fractions, what we will do? We will keep the denominator as same and then we will do the operations which is given in the fraction, either addition or subtraction. Now coming to unlike fractions. Unlike fractions means fractions having different denominators. Okay. So 1 over 2 plus 3 over 5. How will you do this? For doing this, we have to make the denominator same. For that, what we will do? We can see the numerator here is 2, right? And then, denominator here is 2, right? Here the denominator is 5. So what we will do? This is the first fraction and this is the second fraction. For the first fraction, we will multiply the numerator and the denominator with the denominator of the second fraction. So multiplied by 5. Got it? Then for the second fraction, what we will do? We will multiply it with the denominator of the first fraction. So it will be 2 and 2 here. So what we will do? Just multiply. 1 times 5 is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. Then plus 3 times 2 is 6. 5 times 2 is 10. See, it became like fractions, right? So now what we will do? The denominator remains same and we will add the numerators 5 plus 6, which is equal to 11 over 10. Now tell me how we were doing the unlike fractions. For doing the unlike fractions, what we were doing? We were making the denominator same as the like fractions and we will follow the same rules as like fractions, isn't it? Now we can see one more example. 2 over 3 plus 4 over 7. How will you do this? We need to make the denominator same, right? So we will multiply the first fraction with the denominator of the second, that is 7. Then plus for this fraction, we will multiply the denominator of the first fraction, that is 3. Correct? So what will be the answer? 14 over 21 plus 12 over 20. Isn't it? So the denominator became 21 now. It won't change. Then we will add the numerator, which is 26. So the answer will be 26 over 21. Same rule we will use for subtraction also. Okay. 1 over 2 minus 1 over 4. See, the denominators are different, right? What we will do? We will multiply the first fraction with the denominator of the second and the second fraction with the denominator of the first. Now tell me what is the answer? 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8, correct? And 1 times 2 is 2, 4 times 2 is 8. See, they became like fractions. So what we have to do? The denominator remains same. We have to subtract the numerators. So answer will be 2 over 8, which can be further simplified as 1 over 4. So what we have done today? We have done the addition and subtraction of fractions, both like fractions and unlike fractions. For like fractions, what we will do? The denominator will not change, it will remain the same. Then we will add or subtract the numerator part. But for unlike fractions, what we have to do first? We have to make the denominator same, correct? Then we will do the operation of the like fractions. Hope this part is clear for everyone. In the next video, I will do the simplification part. So, for the higher order fractions when come, you can easily simplify it. Thank you so much.